Hello beautiful people, welcome to my channel. How are you guys doing? For the old and the new subscribers, warm welcome to you. I love you guys. This is your girl Kelly here with her coconut candy recipe today. So quickly let me show you. I have my coconut here that I peeled off from the skin and I washed it thoroughly. So here I have my lemon juice, some salt, and my sugar. Okay, so let's go ahead and grate the coconut. As you can see here, I am grating my coconut. You use this part of your grater to grate the coconut to achieve the best coconut candy that you want. Okay, so after grate my coconut, I will just go right away and do the candy. Okay, I'm saying this because some people like it when they are dry. They let it dry before they use it for the coconut candy in order to have some hard and crunchy coconut candy. But for me, I like it when it's chewy and soft. So that's why I'm going to use my coconut, as you can see it, humid or whatever I can say right away. So here I have my sugar on fire that is melting already. So guys, what happened here is that I missed the clip where I was pouring my sugar into my skillet. So all you need to know there is to have your pot on fire on low medium low heat, and then you pour your sugar in, and you have to keep on mixing it until you start having this mixture, as you can see, this consistency. And even after this, you have just to keep on mixing it until you have your that caramel, the right color that you are looking for. So that is it for having your caramel, the right color, or the right color for your caramel. So I'm sorry, forgive me about the misclip. So here, keep on mixing it, keep on mixing it. As you can see here, my color is changing the right way. Now you have it on low heat, and then I added my salt first, and then my lemon juice now, you see. And then make sure you mix it well, you combine them well together, right here. My spatula that I'm using was a little bit too soft, I can say, for the mixture. So I went ahead and changed the spatula for the one that is a little bit hard and steady. Then and I continue my mixing part until you have the right color that you want from your caramel. You can go ahead and proceed to the adding of your coconut, the grated coconut. Okay, so here now I am almost, I have my right color now. Make sure while you are doing that, your heat is on low. So now step by step, little by little, I will be adding the coconut to my caramel. Okay, just to make sure I have all of them well combined. I will not just throw everything on it at once. I was adding it a little bit by bit, until I add all my coconut to my caramel. Okay, just to make sure everything is well holding together. Okay. So now, as you can see, that was my last batch of the coconut, and everything was well mixed together. Then I tossed in my coconuts, the mixture of the coconut and the caramel and everything. I toss it in my clean plate. Make sure you toss in this in a clean plate, like a rubbery, anything that is plastic, I want to say, yeah, anything that is plastic. You can have a plastic board or anything that is clean and plastic. You toss it in. Don't use a wooden surface for this, please, or else it will tend to just glue to it, and it will be hard for you to mold it. So now you make sure you leave it on to let it dry, air dry for maybe 1 to 2 minutes. You try it and see if you can use your hand to mold it. If yes, you go ahead and start molding it, because you don't want to let it dry too much. It will be too hard and not nice to mold it. So that's what I was doing. You make this little nice ball from your mixture. So this is that's our coconut candy, Concada, that's how we call it. So thank you for watching, guys. I will see you in my next video. Love you. Bye bye.